Elon family. I'm Jill Hollis, a proud Elon graduate, and I'm here to be your Elon Day website guide so that everyone knows how to use it on the big day. Don't worry, it's really easy, whether you're 22 or 102, whether you're a tech pro or a techophobic, whether you love dogs or cats. You get the point. The website is simple to use for everyone. Here are the basics. Start by heading to elon.edu/elonday. Here's the homepage where you can check progress and see exciting updates. And it's your portal for giving a gift online. Now, if anything seems confusing, we created a simple acronym for you. SIPMOGTO. Flows off the tongue. SIPMOGTO. It stands for Show Your Pride, Make a Gift, Tell Others. Makes sense, right? Time to use the site. Need to make a gift on the go? Simply click the Support Elon or Support Phoenix Club buttons on the homepage. Then, fill out the forms and submit. Easy and quick. Want to make a gift for a specific area on campus? Go to the Designations tab. Scroll or use the search filter to find the area that means the most to you. When ready, click Give to fill out the form. And voila! After you give, thank you by the way, use the social sharing tools on the designation pages or the main Elon Day page to easily share with your networks. If all else fails, just remember, SIPMOGTO. Show your pride, make a gift, tell others. SIPMOGTO. All right, well, thanks for your continued support over the past 4 years of Elon Day, and we look forward to the greatest showing yet!